Hey there guys, back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review on the 2016 Colt Chase Hawk bike. So this is a complete bike, and I got it off of danscomp.com. So let's just get started with this. So I'm going to go over the bike first, all the parts involved, and then I'll tell you what my thoughts are on it and everything. So to start off, we have a 100% chromoly trans purple frame. It's the Chase Hawk signature frame, so it has the Colt Chase Hawk logo, the eye on the front, and then just some stickers and stuff on the down tube, and then or the seat tube, and then we have in the back there's a 2.40 tire clearance, and also same in the front where the fork is, there's a 2.4 tire clearance. And then there are some 9-inch rise by 30 wide, just 100% chromoly frame, chromoly bars. And then right here we have the Colt ODI Faith grips. And then we have the Colt Salvation stem in matte black. The bars are matte black also. And let's see, we have the Colt bar ends. See if I can get it to focus. Maybe not, but so the Colt bar ends with a sealed mid BB and a 25 tooth alloy member sprocket. So let's get this in here. So there's a sprocket, and then after that we have 175 millimeter heat treated chromoly 3-piece cranks. Those are also in matte black. And then Colt nylon pedals and a Colt 510 chain. And a Colt pivotal seat. $14mm sealed rear hub with a 9-tooth driver. And a 3/8 inch Colt female match style front hub. And then we have, of course, the Colt Odyssey Chase Hawk tires in 2.4s. And I think that's going to do it for the parts. And then, so let's get to what my thoughts are on this bike. So I've had this bike since Friday, today's Monday, and I've honestly liked it a lot. It's really solid and really light too. That's the other thing. So the seat's really comfy, the grips are really soft, the tires roll really nice and are really grippy. The only problem I've had is the cranks. Sometimes if I land really hard, they'll make like a popping noise, and sometimes when I pedal, and then I mean it's not too big of a deal or anything, but also when I first got the bike, this doesn't worry me at all, but down here where the bolts for the rear axle go in, those were slipping when I first got the bike, and the tire would move and would start rubbing on the frame or whatever, and I believe that was because of the new paint being slippery, and I feel like that could have something to do with it, but it doesn't happen anymore, so not worried about that or anything. The bars are perfect height, feel really nice. Overall, the bike is just a really good bike, and I would recommend this to most anybody, mostly to people that ride ramps and bowls and stuff. I ride bowl, so I really like this bike, and it rolls really fast and smooth. Yeah, overall it's just a really nice bike. So thanks for watching, you guys, and have a good day.